Every time you think Nano Banana Pro can't surprise you anymore, it does. These are brand new 2026 prompts you have to try, and last 3 will blow your mind. Alright, this one is incredibly detailed and way more realistic than you'd expect. If you use this miniature nail painter prompt and just change the artwork, Nano Banana Pro creates a hyper-real macro scene where a tiny artist is literally painting on a human fingernail. The fingernail isn't flat, it's curved, glossy, and reflective, just like a real nail under studio lighting. When I tried this with Starry Night, the swirling sky actually bends with the nail's surface, which makes the whole thing feel believable instead of gimmicky. With the Scream, the colors feel heavier and more dramatic, and Nano Banana Pro automatically shifts the lighting to match that darker mood. What makes this prompt special is the sense of scale. Your brain instantly understands how small the painter is and how massive the nail feels in comparison. It's one of those prompts that makes people stop scrolling because it feels impossible, but real. This one blends nostalgia and world building perfectly. If you use this Minecraft Country Cube prompt and replace the city name, Nano Banana Pro generates a floating voxel cube that looks straight out of Minecraft, but designed like a cinematic diorama. On top of the cube, Nano Banana Pro builds a miniature voxel city. Not random blocks, actual landmarks. When I did Paris, I got the Eiffel Tower, cafes, street lamps, and the Seine. For New York, it nailed the Statue of Liberty, skyscrapers, yellow cabs, and Central Park. Then there's a floating wooden pixel sign above the cube with the city name, which instantly makes it readable and thumbnail friendly. What makes this prompt powerful is how clean and readable everything stays. Nothing feels cluttered. Even with lots of details, your eye knows exactly where to look. This one feels epic. If you use this exploding atlas scroll prompt and choose a civilization or region, Nano Banana Pro turns a flat, ancient map into a living 3D world. You start with a parchment scroll, and then the map literally erupts. Rivers glow and flow, mountains push upward, cities rise in stacked layers representing different time periods. When I tested ancient Egypt, I could clearly see the Nile glowing through the center, pyramids rising, temples forming, and timelines spiraling across the scroll. What makes this prompt special is the time layering. It's not just one version of history, it feels like multiple civilizations existing at once. Nano Banana Pro handles this complexity surprisingly well without turning it into visual noise. Before we move to the next use case, quick reminder, everything you're seeing in this video, the prompt structure, the workflows, all of this is already organized step by step inside my Nano Banana Pro prompt guide. Inside the guide, you get complete copy-paste prompt templates, full workflow breakdowns, 90+ crazy professional use cases, just like these. So instead of guessing or experimenting for weeks, you can just follow proven systems and get results immediately. You'll find the direct link to the guide in the description and pinned comment. This one is pure art and design. If you use this painted city brushstroke prompt and change the city, Nano Banana Pro creates a single paint stroke that contains an entire miniature city inside it. The brush is frozen mid-motion, and inside the stroke you'll see buildings, landmarks, rivers, and streets sculpted from thick paint. It's not flat paint, it's layered, textured, and 3-dimensional. When I tried Tokyo, the paint stroke followed a red and white palette, with Tokyo Tower, Shibuya Crossing, and even Mount Fuji subtly embedded inside the paint. New York looked bold and structured. What makes this prompt stand out is how controlled it is. Everything stays inside the brushstroke. The background stays clean and white. It looks like a gallery poster. It feels expensive and intentional. This one feels like a museum exhibit brought to life. If you use this living map city prompt and swap the location, Nano Banana Pro creates an antique world map that's torn open. And from that tear, a miniature city rises upward. The map isn't flat. It folds, creases, and bends into a 3D base. From the tear, clean white architectural models emerge. Skyscrapers, bridges, landmarks, like foam core miniatures. When I did New York, the skyline rose out of the map with the Brooklyn Bridge curving into the city. For London, Tower Bridge became the gateway, with London integrated into the structure. What makes this prompt special is the scale contrast. The city feels monumental compared to the map beneath it. The lighting is clean and studio-like, which makes it feel like a real photographed model rather than AI art. Alright, this one is pure commercial level product photography. If you use this liquid splash hero shot prompt and just swap the product name and color palette, Nano Banana Pro creates a high-end studio hero image that looks like it came straight from a global ad campaign. The product sits perfectly centered, clean, sharp, and balanced, while the liquid splashes wrap around it in a controlled, cinematic way. When I tested this with a soda can, you could clearly see carbonation bubbles, liquid motion, and condensation droplets, all working together to sell freshness. What makes this prompt powerful is how brand-aware it feels. The background gradient automatically complements the product color. The lighting highlights glass, metal, and texture without blowing anything out. This one instantly grabs attention. If you use this miniature maintenance crew smartphone prompt and customize the UI theme, Nano Banana Pro turns a phone screen into a physical 3D display cabinet. The smartphone doesn't feel flat. It has depth, thickness, weight. Inside the screen, you get recessed alcoves arranged in a clean 2x2 grid, and each slot contains a fully rendered physical product, not UI icons. The magic is the miniature workers. They aren't decorative. They're actively interacting with the products, climbing ladders, hanging from cables, polishing surfaces, lifting heavy objects. What makes this prompt special is how story-driven it feels. Every grid slot tells a mini narrative. It looks like a futuristic commercial frozen in time. This one hits emotionally. If you use this folded paper memory prompt and describe a moment or scene, Nano Banana Pro creates an image that feels handcrafted, not generated. At first glance, you see a simple folded piece of aged paper. Then you notice something emerging from the folds, a memory, a place, a moment in time. The scene isn't placed on top of the paper, it feels embedded into it. With historical moments like the moon landing, the folds added weight and gravity. What makes this prompt special is the tactile realism. Curled edges, torn corners, ink texture. If you use this underground diorama prompt and change the subway line, Nano Banana Pro builds a tiny isometric transit world that feels like a premium infographic. Everything is scaled perfectly. Platforms, trains, signage, people, nothing is overcrowded. Everything has breathing room. The top text instantly makes it readable. Line name, train icon, service status. When I tested delayed lines, the red text popped immediately. On-time lines felt calm and balanced. What makes this prompt stand out is the editorial clarity. It's visually interesting, but still easy to understand at a glance. This one is bold and cinematic. If you use this splash effect portrait prompt on a regular photo, Nano Banana Pro transforms it into a high-impact visual identity piece. The face stays accurate. No distortion. No weird AI artifacts. But everything around it becomes expressive. The subject is almost silhouetted, with sharp rim lighting defining the face and jawline. Behind them, paint explodes outward, frozen mid-motion. The paint doesn't feel decorative. It feels emotional, chaotic, intentional. Black and sapphire tones create intensity without overwhelming the face. One quick thing. If you don't want to keep guessing what works and what doesn't inside Nano Banana Pro, I've put everything into a single prompt guide. It covers everything you need to master Nano Banana Pro, from cinematic visuals to creative storytelling prompts like the ones you saw in this video. All the prompts are clean, structured, and ready to use. You just copy, paste, and customize. I also keep updating the guide with new prompts and workflows, so it keeps getting better over time. The link's in the description if you want to check it out. If you want me to create next video on creating digital products with Nano Banana Pro, simply comment digital products, and I'll create the full video on that. If you missed previous parts, here's the one you must watch next.